Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to see your connected devices with Gmail. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to help you manage and monitor the devices linked to your Gmail account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Tap Manage your Google account from the menu. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 4. In the account settings, select Security. This section provides an overview of your account's security settings. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Your Devices. Here, you'll find a list of all the devices currently connected to your Gmail account. By following these steps, you'll be able to view and manage the devices connected to your Gmail account, ensuring the security and privacy of your information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.